Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are on Cathedral Road in Chennai and we are staying at Welcome Hotel Chennai, one of the premium 5-star hotels located in the heart of the city. This hotel originally opened in 1975 as the famous Chola Hotel. Over the years it underwent several name changes and in 2024 was extensively renovated by ITC Hotels before reopening as Welcome Hotel Chennai. We are staying in the club double room and it looks absolutely luxurious. As you can see, this is the living area which features a comfortable sofa and a large 65-inch television. The hotel provides a generous number of complimentary water bottles which can be refilled throughout your stay. There is also a dedicated work desk, making it convenient for guests who need to work, along with the complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi. Now let's move into the bedroom. The bedroom is quite spacious and beautifully designed. The elegant lighting, premium finishes, and tasteful decor create a royal and luxurious atmosphere. The room features a queen-size bed with multiple pillow options to suit different comfort preferences. Like the living area, the bedroom also comes with a large 65-inch television. In addition, there is ample storage space for guests. The wardrobe area includes a digital locker, an ironing board with an iron, luggage storage space, and hanging space for clothes. Moving on to the bathroom, it is spacious and carries a classic, elegant design that complements the overall character of the hotel. While there is no bathtub, the bathroom features a modern rain shower. All essential amenities are provided, including bath kits, toiletries, and fresh towels. Overall, both the room and bathrooms were excellent during our stay. The room rate was approximately 9,600 rupees per night plus taxes. Coming to the hotel facilities, Welcome Hotel Chennai offers a Kalp spa located on the lower level, along with a fully equipped fitness center that operates 24 hours a day. The gym is modern and features a wide range of fitness equipment. The hotel also has a swimming pool which generally operates from morning until evening. Adjacent to the pool is a beautiful outdoor garden area where guests can relax, meet friends, or simply enjoy views of the hotel surroundings. On the upper floor, the hotel features several banquet halls and event spaces that are frequently used for wedding conferences and other functions. For dining, the hotel offers the Mahjong room, its signature Chinese specialty restaurant. On the ground floor, you will find WelcomCafe Marina, where the complimentary breakfast is served. The breakfast spread includes a wide variety of authentic South Indian dishes such as pongal, vada, idli, sambar, and chutney. We also enjoyed the lemon savai and everything tasted fresh and flavorful. In addition to South Indian dishes, there are continental options including salads, desserts, and fresh fruits. Guests can also order freshly prepared dosas and a wide variety of egg dishes. Overall, I found the breakfast to be very good. To complete the experience, don't forget to try a classic Chennai style filter coffee. Outside the restaurant area, there is a jewelry store as well as an ITC retail outlet where guests can purchase products used in ITC hotels, including pillows, towels, and other premium items. To conclude, Welcome Hotel Chennai delivers a truly luxurious experience in one of Chennai's most prestigious locations. Situated close to Poets Garden and several major attractions, The hotel combines rich heritage, premium amenities, and excellent dining options to create a memorable stay. If you are looking for a luxury stay on Cathedral Road, Welcome Hotel Chennai is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching the video.